Hello, this is Maansi and this is my project 1 of cs50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So according to the specifications, if we type in the URL /wiki/ any of the entries that is present, like if we type here CSS, we are displayed with the entries page. Now if we type over here any of the titles or any of the entries that doesn't exist, like if we type over here let's say /wiki/java, we are displayed a page not found error. Now this is my index.html page, and on clicking on any of the entries, the entries page is open, displayed like this. Now look at the search bar functionality. Whenever we type any query over here, let's say if we type Django, and if the query matches with the entries, then the entry page is displayed. Now if we type over here any query that is not present, but the query is present as a substring in the entry, like if we type py is present as a substring in Python, so a search results page is displayed with the entry. Like if we type over here, if we click over here, the entry page is displayed. Like if we type over here, let's say ht is present as a substring in the entry HTML, so we are displayed HTML over here. If we click on this, we are displayed with the HTML page. Now let's look at how to create a new page. When we click on create a new page, we can enter a title over here. Let's say we want to create a JavaScript page. Now as you can see, we have entered the markdown content over here. Now if we click on submit, we can see a JavaScript page was created. Now if we want to create a page that already exists, like let's say we want to create HTML page, we type HTML and a title, and we create an HTML page, and an error is displayed, an alert saying that entry already exists. Now if we want to create and edit any page, we go on home. Let's say we want to edit Django. Okay, now we want to add another list over here, we click on submit. We can say another bullet was added, and this is how we can easily edit our page. Now if we click on random page, any of the page that exists in this encyclopedia is displayed, any random page. So this is my project, and thanks.